Hey guys, how are you? As you can see this mobile iPhone, in this mobile problem unable to activate. As you can see, an update is required to activate your phone. So guys, how to fix this mobile? So first of all, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Let's go. You can see this mobile iPhone 13 Pro Max. So I want to activate this mobile by computer, as you can see, and follow my step by step. If you have any model iPhones, you can do as this step. So now I'm going to start this PC, and first of all download the 3U tool and connect this mobile and click on activate. After that click start it. So guys, as you can see, activating and escaping the setup, as you can see, it will automatically uh, setup complete. As you can see, if you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. As you can see, activated success and escaped success. This mobile is setup is complete finished, as you can see. So if you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. You can uh, unlock any iPhone by these steps. So bye, be back later, see you next.